Hello viewers, in this video I'll be showing on the Minions helicopter operation and how it works. And this one was the gift given by Praveen to my son. Let's go. It says induction operation, so it basically works on your it's heat. And we have an RC remote control operations. Yes, both the operations. Let's unveil the package. So we got the Minion here, and it got two LEDs. The eyes got LED lights, and we have power button. This is. And we have a charging point here, and we have a USB cable to charge our Minion or to give energy to him. And it says we have to charge for 25 to 30 minutes, so he'll be active and playing powerfully for 6 to 8 minutes. Let me try with the demo. So you can see I've connected the USB drive to a plug, and the Minion is getting energy. So how to ensure it is getting charged? Oh, I'm not switched on. Switched on. Yes, it's glowing. It's glowing. There is a red light here. You can see here. Yes. So he's getting the energy. Let's play after some 30 minutes and we'll demonstrate how he's progressing. So set my camera there, and here is a Minion. So the power button, I'm going to switch it on. Ooh, you can see. Look at how is it flying. Ooh. So how to hold him like this? How to hold him like this? You can switch on. And just leaving. So he's going for a good high. So, getting good breeze. Let me switch off.